In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to understand the hierarchy in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the structure. At the very top of the hierarchy, we have workspaces. You can find these in the left panel of your interface. Think of workspaces as your digital offices, essential for organizing different departments or major functions within your team. For example, you might have workspaces dedicated to marketing, sales, or operations. Each workspace serves as a distinct area where specific teams can collaborate efficiently. Next, within each workspace, you'll create boards. These are your project hubs, the places where the actual work happens. Each board is customizable, allowing you to set up unique columns, automations, and views tailored to the needs of your project. Consider this as the foundation where the details of your work reside. Then, we break things down further into groups. Groups act as visual dividers within a board, helping you to organize your items effectively. Picture these as sections on a page, categorizing different phases of a project, such as planning, in progress, or done. This makes tracking the progress of your project easy and visually clear. Moving on to the core of your tasks, we have items. Each item represents a single task, client, or request. These items fill the rows of your board and are where the actual to-dos and responsibilities sit. It's important to keep items detailed and actionable to ensure clarity among team members. If an item is too complex or large to handle all at once, that's where sub-items come in. Sub-items allow you to break down that main task into smaller, manageable steps, creating a clearer path to completion. Keep in mind that sub-items are always linked to a parent item, so they maintain a connection to the larger task's overall goal. Sometimes you may need a hierarchy that stretches across different boards. For this, Monday.com offers the option to connect boards. You can use the Connect Boards column in conjunction with mirror columns. This feature allows you to create relationships between items on different boards, ensuring that your projects are interlinked and visible across the workspace for better oversight. Finally, all of these elements come together in your dashboards. Dashboards provide a high-level overview of data pulled from multiple boards. However, it's crucial to understand that dashboards don't create hierarchy. Instead, they serve as reporting tools to monitor the existing structure you've built across your teams. This enables you to visualize key metrics and progress at a glance. In summary, Monday.com's hierarchy consists of workspaces at the top level, followed by boards for specific projects, groups for organization within those boards, items representing tasks, and sub-items for detailed actions. Additionally, connecting boards allows for an intricate hierarchy spanning multiple areas, while dashboards help you keep track of everything seamlessly. Harnessing this structure will make your project management much smoother. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore these functions in your own Monday.com setup.